Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with y'all how I go about piercing the vertical labret. Should you have any questions along the way, feel free to drop a comment down below and I will do my best to assist you in the best way possible. With that being said, let's get started. So everything that I am going to be using in this video, I will go ahead and leave linked in the description box below for y'all. I'm going to be using the Reelskin practice piercing. I have a full review on this skin, so I will go ahead and leave that linked right here for y'all in case you want to check that out. Alright, and these are the 4 steps that I will be using in this video. I do have a video coming up of everything that I am using to begin practice piercing, so don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell to stay tuned for that. And then to lube the needle, I do use this Ink Ease Vegan Glide. I know a lot of people use Vaseline and different things like that, but this is what I find that works best for me. If you want to go ahead and pause this video to go ahead and see the ingredients that this product does have, you can go ahead and do so right now. Alright, let's open it up, and this is what it looks like. Here is a close-up. I really recommend this stuff. I really enjoy using it. And I also will be using some alcohol pads to clean the outer part of the lip. And these are the ones that I'm using. These are just the HEB brand. Any ones will work perfectly fine, but these are just the ones that I'm going to go ahead and use for the practicing of piercing in this video. Alrighty, and I'm also going to be using a 16 gauge needle. This is the one that I'm going to be using. A body piercing needle, single use, 16 gauge sterile. Flip it around. This is what the opposite side looks like. Here's a close-up of what the tip of the needle looks like. Alrighty, and then this is the skin marker that I will be using to mark the areas that I will be piercing. So this is what this one is looking like. These are disposable. It comes in a pack of 50. And then if we go ahead and open it up, this is what the tip looks like. I really do like these markers. They mark really well. Alright, so I'm going to begin by opening the little alcohol pad, and then I'm going to go ahead and just clean the outer part of the lip area, making sure that it is all nice and clean. Once I'm all done with that, I'm going to go ahead and just grab my marker, and then I'm going to go ahead and just mark the dots on the piercings that I want to do. I know this part is a struggle for me, just making sure that everything is symmetrical, nice and straight. So this does take me a few times, but I feel with practice this will definitely get easier. And then once I'm satisfied with my markings, I'm going to go ahead and grab my forceps and then align those to the dots that I have marked right here, and then make sure I have a nice and snug fit. And then I'm just going to go ahead and grab my 16 gauge needle and pierce right on through. Alrighty, and then in this part I'm just going ahead and grabbing my needle and then just piercing right on through, so it should go ahead and go through pretty effortlessly. And then this is what it's looking like. Alright, then I'm gonna go ahead and grab my jewelry, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and slide that right on through into the needle through the lip. Alrighty, and it slid right on through, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and grab the little ball, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and screw that right on in. And so I am looking into getting one of those little ball screwer inners. I'm not too sure what they're called. If you do know what they're called, let me know in the comments down below, because I do struggle with screwing in the ball. I hope with time I will get better with this and practice. Alrighty, and then this is what it turned out looking like. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. This is my first time piercing the vertical labret. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I genuinely appreciate you joining my piercing journey. Should you have any questions at all, feel free to drop a comment down below and I will do my best to assist you in the best way possible. I do have TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I would greatly appreciate the support over there as well. Once again, thank you so much for watching and have a good one.